Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, thank you so much for joining me and welcome. And if you're not, welcome back. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to bedazzle your nails with Swarovski crystals. You guys may or may not know, but I make custom press-on sets. And so today I'm going to show you guys how I got this pretty in pink nail set. So if you guys would like to see, please keep watching. First, I'm starting off with my nails that I got from Essie Basket. You can buy these on Amazon. You get a bag of 500 for about $7 to $8. It really is a steal. Next, I'm going to take my nails that I already have pre-measured, and I'm just gonna take them on a shish kebab stick with a little bit of sticky putty, and I'm gonna stick my nails at the end of them. I never paint the nails while they're on my hands. I just find that this is an easier way and it's less messy, and I'm impatient, so it just prevents me from messing up on the nails. Next, I'm taking my Essie nail polish in the shade Young, Wild, and Me, and this is like a really pretty soft pink. And I'm going to begin to paint the nail. Now, when I paint, I like to start halfway and begin painting, and then I like to switch directions. As you guys can see, I find that this helps with preventing like buildup at the cuticle, because a lot of times if you just go straight down, you kind of get like a little bit of buildup, and I just want to prevent that kind of clumpiness. So this is just a technique that I find is really easy, and yeah, it just works. And this is just the color close up. As you guys can see, this is one coat and the nail is like so pigmented. So I'm just going to repeat the same steps, and I ended up going in with 2 coats of this nail polish just so that it kind of gives a full covered look, even though I really didn't have to. But so if you know me, you know that I love for my nails to have an accent color, something different, a little glitz, a little glam. I'm going to be taking this glitter nail polish from OPI in the color I Pull Strings, and I'm going to apply this to my pinky fingers. I did about 2 coats as well, and the nail was fully covered. So the next thing is the star of the show. I'm going to be bedazzling my ring fingers using my Swarovski crystals from Daily Charm, and these are in the shade Rose. I got the multi-pack. It comes with 3 different sizes. I don't remember the sizes off the top of my head, but they will be in the description box. I also have these rhinestones that I got from Amazon. It was in a nail kit. You really can't tell the difference. Like, these are really cute. The only thing is it's only one size, but yeah, you can bedazzle your nails in these. Who gonna check you? Next, I'm gonna be taking my protective top coat from Londontown, and I'm just gonna add a little bit to a paper towel. And I'm also gonna have my nail glue close by also. Next, I'm gonna be taking this little stick tool. I don't even know what this is. We're gonna use this to place our top coat. And first, I'm just going in and dotting where I want to place the crystals. I'm initially going in with the top coat just as an indicator, and then I'm gonna take a little bit of the glue when I'm ready, and I'm just gonna place that right on top. And then I'm going to go ahead and take one of my crystals. I'm going to take the bigger one, and I'm going to add it to the tip of the nail. And then I'm going to use my tweezers and the little stick thing to press it in once I get it to where I want it to be. You want to make sure that you add pressure to the jewel to make sure that it is stuck into the nail. Now, I kind of felt like this looked a little plain, so I'm going to go ahead and take some stripping tape, and I'm just going to add a little bit of tape to the nail. This stripping tape was also in the nail kit, and it is so clutch, y'all. Like, it just adds like an extra oomph to the nail and just some fun, just some spice to the nail. I originally went in with this magenta kind of pink stripping tape, but I later on changed that into a rose color because I wanted a lighter contrast. So yeah, I'm just going to be taking my tweezers and I'm initially cutting off the stripping tape once I get like the width of the nail, leaving a little extra, and then I'm going to begin to adjust it how I want. Once you get the stripping tape in the position that you want, you're going to trim off the excess, just making sure that it's just the complete width of the nail. And then I'm going to take my finger and just begin to rub the tape into the nail. The warmth of my fingers is going to warm up the glue and kind of just, set it into the nail. And then for some extra security, I'm going to take my nail glue and I'm just going to secure the ends. And then last but not least, I'm going to take my protective top coat from Londontown. Y'all, this is like one of the best clear coats I've ever used. Like, it literally makes my nails look like I use gel, but without the UV light. Like, it is really bomb, and it just gives that extra shine, and it makes these look so professional, so official, and it just brings it all together. And this is the final look, you guys. That completes this super easy DIY nail tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Let me know how you feeling about these nail videos. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.